How to delete or clear Snapchat chats. For that, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Log into your account and then tap on the Snap section from the bottom of the screen that is between location and the emoji. Once there, go ahead and select the chat that you want to clear or delete. Simply tap and hold onto the chat. Then tap on Chat and Notification Settings that is below Manage Friendship. In here, tap on Clear from Chat feed if you do not want this person to appear on your chat feed. If not, you can go to Delete Chat option, and here you'll get 4 different options of after viewing, 24 hours after viewing, 7 days after viewing, and never. Go ahead and select one of them according to your preference, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.